In the global context, China stands out as the world's leading pork consumer, with a total annual consumption reaching 44 million tons. Despite achieving this impressive consumption volume, the pig farming industry in China faces a host of significant challenges. Farmers contend with high production costs, substantial risk factors, and low profit margins, which undermine the industry's competitiveness and sustainable development capabilities. Additionally, another notable trend in the industry is the strong growth of wild pig farming, particularly in regions like Fujian and Guangdong. Wild pigs are favored not only for their delicious meat quality, but also for their high nutritional value and sustainability in production compared to traditional domestic pig farming. Raising wild pigs not only contributes to diversifying the food source, but also supports improving the livelihoods of farming households by expanding commercial and export opportunities. Have you ever wondered how wild boars can become a significant source of income for farmers? Today, Nature Farm will take you to China, where ingenious farmers have successfully domesticated thousands of wild boars, earning millions of dollars in the process. Join us as we explore this challenging domestication process and see how they turned a major challenge into a huge business opportunity. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to stay updated with more exciting content from Nature Farm. Let's start exploring right now. In the modern livestock industry in China, raising wild boars requires adherence to a series of strict legal and environmental standards. Farmers who wish to raise wild boars must obtain permits from relevant authorities, including domestication and breeding permits for wild animals, as well as wildlife business licenses from the National Forestry Bureau of China. Since wild boars are classified as a second-level protected species under national regulations, all activities related to their breeding and business must be approved by forestry authorities through the issuance of breeding and business licenses. Although wild boar farming is primarily carried out in the mountainous regions of China, this practice has become an important economic sector, significantly contributing to the improvement of local people's economic livelihoods. The most effective method of raising wild boars is outdoor free-range farming, allowing them to live in the most natural environment possible, facilitating their free movement and foraging for food. To develop a wild boar farm, farmers need to have a sufficiently large area of land, which could be a garden or hillside for grazing. In this area, fruit trees can be planted to provide shade and a natural food source for the boars. Designing the farm near a water source is also crucial to ensure the boars can drink and bathe whenever necessary. Additionally, the construction of shelters is necessary to provide wild boars with a place to stay, helping them avoid rain and cold and making management easier. These shelters must be built to suit the specific climate, terrain, and surrounding environment of each area, and there is no universal procedure for constructing shelters due to the varying conditions of different locations. Wild boars, known for their omnivorous nature, require a varied diet from the beginning of captivity. During the breeding process, farmers need to provide primary food sources from crops such as young corn, winter melon, potatoes, sweet potatoes, and pumpkins. These are the preferred plants of wild boars and are often grown directly on the farm, helping to reduce feed costs and increase income for the farm owners. Raising wild boars not only requires special care techniques, but also organic feed to ensure the quality of the meat later on. Most wild boar farms are small-scale, typically owned by farming households, raising between 50 to 100 animals. However, some larger farms can raise up to 500 animals each year. Raising wild boars takes longer than other pig breeds, usually from 12 to 14 months to reach the age of slaughter, whereas domestic pigs take about 6 months. In terms of size and weight, wild boars are usually smaller than domestic pigs, with a mature weight of only about 60 to 80 kilograms each, resulting in lower productivity. However, wild boar meat is much more expensive than domestic pig meat due to its special quality and delicious flavor. Additionally, Chinese consumers increasingly favor wild boar meat for its higher nutritional benefits, especially its higher crude protein content, higher calories, and lower fat. Wild boar meat also has 29% lower cholesterol than domestic pigs and contains more trace elements and essential amino acids, including linoleic acid, which is 2.5 times higher than that in domestic pigs. Larger farms often have meat processing facilities to handle thousands of pigs per day, supplying meat to the market. Wild boar meat can sell for up to 80 yuan kg, while domestic pig meat ranges from 10 to 15 yuan kg, reflecting the actual value and market expectations for this product. Wild boar meat is considered a premium organic food choice, in line with modern consumption trends, meeting nutritional needs, and contributing to the health and beauty care of consumers. In the context of current globalization, the pig farming industry in Germany has developed robustly, particularly in the production and supply of pork, holding a leading position in Europe. Germany is known for its application of advanced breeding processes and modern technology, which helps optimize production efficiency and ensure high product quality. Farms in Germany, from medium-sized operations to large-scale breeding factories, adhere to strict standards in managing pig herds ranging from 1,000 to 10,000 animals. The production system in Germany's pig farming industry is very diverse, ranging from moderately sized family farms to large industrial farms. This not only promotes stability in production, but also contributes to the conservation of agricultural resources. A key factor in the success of Germany's pig farming industry is the application of advanced technology in the management and care of pig herds, including automated feeding systems and portion control through computer-controlled systems, as well as the mechanization of manure cleaning processes. Germany is also notable for applying ecological breeding methods to minimize environmental impact and enhance sustainability in production. This includes the development of outdoor grazing farms, where pigs are fed organic food, significantly improving meat quality. The breeds of pigs raised in Germany are diverse, each with unique characteristics adapted to local living conditions and diets, resulting in pork products with excellent flavor. Furthermore, the pig farming infrastructure in Germany is equipped with the most advanced equipment, from automated feeding systems to modern ventilation and drainage systems, helping to maintain the best living environment for the pig herds. All these factors combine to create an efficient and sustainable pig farming industry in Germany, particularly in meeting domestic and export demands. Thus, Germany is not only one of the largest pork consumers in the world, but also plays a crucial role in shaping the European pork market. With a long history of pork production, Germany has developed many advanced production methods and continuously made improvements in animal health, hygiene safety, and production efficiency, thereby establishing an undeniable position in the pig farming industry in Europe. The global livestock industry has witnessed the diversity of hundreds of pig breeds, each with superior characteristics and adaptability to industrial-scale farming. Among them, the Gascon pig, one of the largest and rarest breeds, once faced the brink of extinction. However, thanks to conservation efforts, this breed has not only been restored but also thrived in numbers. Exploring Gascon pig farms, the world's largest pig breed, reveals their remarkable recovery from a critical state. Like many other ancient pig breeds, Gascon pigs tend to accumulate a lot of fat, but are robust and healthy, with efficient feed consumption and good adaptation to hot climates. Each Gascon pig weighs an average of 250 to 350 kilograms and provides a large amount of meat, making a difference in the pork processing industry. Individual Gascon pigs are selected and taken to processing plants when they reach 12 to 24 months of age, weighing between 98 and 181 kilograms. To ensure meat quality and minimize animal stress, the slaughtering process usually takes place from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Once transported from the final farm, handling Gascon pigs at the processing plant must be done quickly to prevent meat quality degradation due to stress. In the plant, pigs are humanely slaughtered, each hung on a conveyor for workers to perform the processing procedures. Offal is cleanly removed, and the meat portions are then cut into pieces and packaged ready for consumers. The processing plant also handles Gascon pork for further processing, such as producing canned pork, ham, or dried ham sausages, which are high-value products from this breed. Producing high-quality ham from Gascon pork is becoming increasingly popular, bringing many premium products to the market for gourmets. As a result, Gascon pork is not cheap, highly valued in both fresh and processed pork products. With a long nurturing period and primarily organic feed, pork from this breed is highly regarded for its quality, attracting interest from many consumers who love natural and sustainable pork products. Gascon pig farms play an important role in the livestock industry, where this breed is known for its entirely black coat, elongated head, and large drooping ears that partially cover the eyes. The physical characteristics of Gascon sows reach about 250 kilograms, while Boars can weigh up to 350 kilograms. This breed is famous for its distinctive, delicious meat flavor, which is not suitable for a closed industrial farming model. During farming, Gascon pigs are allowed to roam outdoors from 6 months to at least 1 year in densely wooded areas, including forests. Such natural living conditions, combined with a diet mainly of fresh grass, acorns, and seasonal shrubs, foster the development of exceptional meat quality. Additionally, farmers may supplement their diet with locally grown grains. However, feeding soybeans or corn is discouraged, as they can increase fat content and adversely affect meat quality. Although raised outdoors, farm owners must ensure safe conditions for the pigs under harsh weather, especially during hot summer months or cold winters. A sturdy and properly insulated barn is essential to protect pigs from weather elements while keeping them comfortable year-round. Raising Gascon pigs requires careful attention to detail to ensure the best meat quality. Farmers raising this breed need to be ready to devote time and effort to care for, ensure the pigs are healthy, happy, and have a sufficient diet. Despite the challenges, many find that raising Gascon pigs is a rewarding experience, producing meat with a unique flavor. This breed can survive in harsh conditions and thrive in extensive farming systems. Moreover, the muscle structure of Gascon pigs creates a unique marbling pattern, making their meat stand out compared to other breeds. This, along with the meat's tenderness, sweetness, and rich flavor, makes this breed an excellent addition to any pig farming operation, large or small. In the next part of the video, we will explore the cinnamon planting and processing industry. Can you believe that farmers can produce oil from tree bark? Each kilogram of bark can be sold for 30 USD, which sounds enticing, doesn't it? However, it's not just any ordinary bark, but cinnamon bark, known for its high economic value in pharmaceuticals, cosmetics, and food, due to its antibacterial properties and distinctive aroma. Cinnamon, also known as dried cinnamon bark, is widely cultivated in many parts of the world, but is particularly famous in Sri Lanka, which produces the majority of the world's Ceylon cinnamon. This plant is also commercially grown in Brazil, the Caribbean, and India. Small-scale farmers maintain thousands of cinnamon trees on their farms. Cinnamon trees have a very long growth cycle, typically taking 15 to 20 years after planting before they can be harvested. Families that grow cinnamon traditionally often pass down ownership from generation to generation. Nowadays, commercial cinnamon farms have also emerged, but due to the long growth period of this plant, there are still many limitations for farmers. Harvesting cinnamon is a challenging task. Before harvesting, farmers remove the lower part of the outer bark of the tree trunk to mark it for harvest. This process occurs twice a year after heavy rains. Cinnamon is ready for harvest when the leaves change from red to green and the tree trunk is no longer sticky. When it's time for harvest, farmers often set up camps in the forest to collect the cinnamon bark. Each tree can yield up to 24,000 to 32,000 pounds of cinnamon per acre, and it takes nearly 2 weeks for farmers to harvest an acre of cinnamon. The bark is cleaned in the forest and rolled into its characteristic feather-like shape when dried. Harvesting cinnamon requires tools such as scrapers to easily peel off the bark. To start the harvesting process, select a branch with a diameter